Your home's front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first impression visitors and passers-by get of your home. If your door is worn, outdated, or simply doesn't match your home's style, it may be time for an upgrade. Professional door replacement in Glendale can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal while improving security, energy efficiency, and overall value. Here's how replacing your door can make a lasting impact on your home's appearance and functionality. Boost your home's first impression. Your front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior. A stylish, well-crafted door can immediately elevate the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you opt for a bold, modern design or a classic, traditional style, a new door can enhance your home's charm and make it stand out in your Glendale neighborhood. Increase your home's value. Investing in a professional door replacement can yield a high return on investment. According to real estate experts, replacing an outdated or damaged door can significantly boost your home's resale value. Potential buyers are more likely to be drawn to homes with updated, energy-efficient doors that enhance both curb appeal and functionality. Improve energy efficiency. The older doors may have cracks, gaps, or inefficient materials that allow air to escape, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring insulated cores, tight seals, and high-quality materials that reduce drafts and energy loss. By upgrading your door, you can lower your energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment. Enhance security and safety. Your home's security begins at the front door. Older doors may have weak frames or outdated locks that make your home vulnerable to break-ins. A new, professionally installed door can provide added security with reinforced materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass options. Investing in a secure door replacement helps protect your family and belongings. Choose from a variety of styles and materials. Professional door replacement services in Glendale offer a wide range of design options to fit any home style. Popular materials include wood doors, timeless and elegant, perfect for traditional or rustic homes. Fiberglass doors, durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, available in various styles. Steel doors, highly secure and resistant to extreme weather conditions. Glass panel doors, modern and stylish, allowing for natural light while maintaining privacy. With customizable colors, finishes, and hardware, you can find a door that perfectly complements your home's exterior. Reduce maintenance and repair costs. An aging door often requires frequent maintenance, including repainting, sealing, and repairing cracks or warping. A professional door replacement eliminates these hassles by providing a high-quality, durable solution that requires minimal upkeep. Choosing a weather-resistant material ensures your door remains in excellent condition for years to come. Professional installation ensures longevity. While DIY projects may be tempting, professional installation guarantees that your new door is properly fitted, sealed, and aligned for optimal performance. Expert installers have the tools and experience to ensure a secure, long-lasting installation, preventing future issues like drafts, misalignment, or improper sealing. Conclusion. A professional door replacement in Glendale is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal. Beyond aesthetics, a new door provides improved energy efficiency, security, and value. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to create a welcoming entryway, investing in a new door is a smart decision. Ready to upgrade your home's entrance? Contact a trusted Glendale door replacement professional today to explore your options and transform your home with a stunning new door.